I enjoy eating sushi. She likes listening to classical music. They prefer watching action movies. He loves playing video games in his free time. We dislike eating spicy food. My brother adores watching football matches. She has a passion for cooking. They have a fondness for hiking in the mountains. He has a taste for adventure novels. We have a liking for trying new cuisines. My hobby is gardening. She is keen on learning new languages. They are interested in volunteering for community service. He is passionate about photography. We enjoy attending live music concerts. My sister loves horse riding. He is fascinated by astronomy. They are enthusiastic about environmental conservation. She has a talent for playing the piano. We are dedicated to practicing yoga regularly. I have a hobby of collecting stamps. She is intrigued by ancient history. They are fascinated by technology and innovation. He has an interest in astronomy and stargazing. We enjoy exploring new hiking trails. My brother is passionate about cooking and baking. She has a hobby of birdwatching. They are enthusiastic about participating in sports events. He enjoys painting landscapes in his free time. We have an interest in sustainable living practices. I am fascinated by literature and poetry. She has a hobby of solving crossword puzzles. They enjoy attending art exhibitions and galleries. He is dedicated to practicing martial arts. We have an interest in meditation and mindfulness. My sister loves DIY projects and crafts. He enjoys playing chess in his leisure time. They have a passion for traveling and exploring new cultures. She is enthusiastic about interior design and home decor. We enjoy attending cultural festivals and events. I have a hobby of photography. She is passionate about environmental conservation and sustainability. They enjoy hiking and camping in nature. He is dedicated to learning about renewable energy sources. We have a passion for exploring national parks and natural reserves. My brother loves attending car shows and exhibitions. She enjoys participating in outdoor adventure activities. They have an interest in learning about traditional arts and crafts. He has a talent for cooking and experimenting with new recipes. We have a passion for wildlife photography and nature exploration. I am fascinated by astronomy and stargazing.